Yeah. We be coming.
Hey, look here. First of all, I want to welcome all y'all broke-ass entrepot niggas to the Players Club.
It's packed, niggas don't know how to act. We the max, VIPs in the back with a stack of numbers. But niggas like them dumber, we ought to get them smarter. Baby, take my order. The only shark that swim in here in no water. Got your daughter doing shit you don't think she oughta. Give the order to slaughter any ass like that. You know how to lonely act off the cognac. Brainiac with maniac Mac 10. Down to get this motherfucking party cracked in. Nigga back in, so we can smoke a dub. Down to bump all these bitches at the club. So we love.
Everybody likes when a girl shakes something, nigga don't pull nothing. We ain't dumping, we just bumping and banging like it ain't nothing wrong. Get your club on.
We be clubbing.
We be clubbing.
Yeah.
We be clubbing. We be clubbing.
We getting in free, so what the fuck now? Dub SCG, just touched down. Show a nigga round, least take a nigga to the store.
Yo, we in 49.
Hell no, security bell slow up in the club. Remember when they push and shove, it's only love. Dubs for everybody waiting on us. And fuck everybody hating on us, debating on us. But we only visiting, ain't trying to fuck with niggas in lizard skins. I see you watching me, you should watch her. Cause if she's sick of your shit, I'm the doctor, rock her. Show her to the car and see how bad she wanna meet these stars. They know who we are.
Where we going?
West side, nigga, meet me by the bar.
Shake it off, take it off, break it off, make it soft. Shake it off, take it off, break it off, make it soft. Shake it off, take it off, break it off, make it soft. Shake it off, take it off, break it off, make it soft.
We be clubbing. We be clubbing. We be clubbing.
Baby, beware, Ice Cube is on tilt. Waitress bitchin' off the drinks, my nigga spilt. Everybody sweating like it's Armageddon. 1999, party over, oops, I'ma still grind. Straight from the west, put away your 9. DJ, can you play my shit one more time? Goddamn, you
My
fine.
nigga speak on me.
She got ass for days.
Put a week on me.
Now everybody in the world love to go clubbing, and after the club is either breakfast or fucking. Hope we ain't ducking from haters in the parking lot who ain't got nothing, trying to prove something. Frontin', we be the niggas who be buntin' on our way to the Marriott, keep 'em very high. West side hitting Harry Cock all night long.